Hi dear subscriber, welcome to my channel. Today, we will learn about causes of tension in students. So, let us begin. There are several potential causes of tension in students. These can vary depending on individual circumstances, but here are some common factors: academic pressure, the pressure to excel academically, meet deadlines, and perform well in exams can lead to significant stress and tension among students. High expectations from parents, teachers, or themselves can contribute to this pressure. The next cause is overload of responsibilities. Many students juggle multiple responsibilities, such as managing coursework, extracurricular activities, part-time jobs, and social commitments. Balancing these responsibilities can create tension and feelings of being overwhelmed. Next cause is time management challenges. Poor time management skills can result in students feeling stressed and tense. Inadequate planning and organization can lead to procrastination, last-minute cramming, and a constant sense of urgency. Next is fear of failure. The fear of failure, whether it's related to academics, social situations, or personal expectations, can be a significant source of tension for students. The pressure to succeed and the potential consequences of not meeting expectations can create anxiety and stress. Next cause is peer pressure. Peer pressure can cause tension as students strive to fit in or meet the expectations of their peers. The desire to be accepted and avoid judgment can lead to stress and anxiety. The next cause is personal issues. Students may face personal challenges such as relationship issues, family problems, financial difficulties, or health concerns. These issues can significantly impact their emotional well-being and contribute to tension. Next cause is lack of support. Insufficient support from teachers, parents, or friends can exacerbate tension in students. Feeling isolated or misunderstood can make it harder for students to cope with stress. Next important cause is transition periods. Transitions, such as moving to a new school, starting college, or entering the workforce, can be stressful for students. Adjusting to new environments, making new friends, and dealing with unfamiliar expectations can create tension.
Next cause is sleep deprivation. Lack of adequate sleep can have a detrimental effect on students' mental and physical well-being. Sleep deprivation can lead to increased stress levels and reduced ability to cope with tension. Next is competition and comparison. The competitive nature of academic environments can foster tension among students. Constantly comparing oneself to others and striving to outperform peers can create a stressful and tense atmosphere.
So, my dear viewer, try your best to avoid such kind of things and try to live happily. Wish you best of luck. Thank you for watching my videos.